What's up my friend, Anders Larsson here, and welcome to this video. In this video I want to share how to grow your YouTube channel. And what I'm sharing today is especially designed for people that are new with online marketing. Before I start, I would like to share my story, who I am and why I'm here. So I'm a guy from Sweden that started my online business for real in March 2018. And this is when I joined Legendary Marketer, and that is the system that I'm chosen to use and promote as a solution to transform my life. Before I joined, I was in my lowest point. I had been struggling to find a solution on my own, try different methods that I read about that people had success with. Every time I tried something, I got mediocre results. And I was struggling with one particular method that started to perform worse and worse. And then I tried another particular method, mediocre results, and then it just went to BS. So I asked online marketers what to do, and one woman helped me out, and she's now my guide and sponsor. She handed me a blueprint, a game plan that I'm following every day. Comparing then and now, it's like night and day. And because I have a blueprint, the things I do in my business make sense. And because I'm following this business plan, I'm seeing awesome results, people engaging and people taking action. So the reason I'm here doing these videos is because I want to help you do something with your life. And I want to let you know that you don't have to be a guru to do this. Once you have your routine and once you have a working sales funnel, then pretty much all you do is create videos, create value, and send out follow-up emails. So I'm here to tell you that you can do this. Now, if you focus on creating videos and upload them to YouTube, then you need to create hundreds of them before you can earn $2,000 or $3,000 per week. And in this video, I'm going to share how you can do that. And today I'm going to share how you can grow your YouTube channel so that you eventually can earn a substantial extra income so that you can quit your job and live a freedom-based lifestyle and help your family, help your kids. So let's dive into today's content on how to grow your YouTube channel. So the first thing I want to talk about is posting your videos. In order to be seen on YouTube, to get traffic, you need to post as often as possible. And if you are just starting out, maybe you have published a couple of videos, so now you need to work on increasing the frequency. You can increase your posting frequency by improving your routine. For example, when you go through your training in Legendary, or if you use any other system, you learn new things. And by learning new things, you improve your routine. And I'm going to tell you why that is. The fact of the matter is that you get a better overview and a better understanding, and that will let you build your content faster. So think of it as a puzzle. In the beginning, you have a lot of missing pieces. When you learn new things, you know what the pieces means, and you know how to fit these pieces in the puzzle. You can also be more flexible how you build the puzzle, meaning it is much easier to give variations of the topic that you want to share. Another way to improve your routine is to simplify your videos. Maybe you are doing what everyone else is doing. They add special effects, sound effects, and you end up with editing your videos a lot. What you really should be focusing on is the quality of your video. And you measure the quality by watching the retention rate, meaning how long time in average people watch a video. So if the video is very engaging, people watch the video a longer time and the retention rate goes up. So what I recommend is that you post once a week if you can. Alright, we were talking about removing special effects and customization that takes a long time to do. Alright, so you increase your frequency and you keep the retention rate high in your videos, and you start to push out videos maybe once or twice a week. Now the YouTube algorithm loves when you post more often and if you keep a high retention rate in your videos. So increasing the frequency is important and the retention rate is important. Now what this results in is a higher YouTube channel authority. Now we are going to dive into keywords, but I want you to think about how the channel authority affects keywords. So YouTube channel authority is going to be very important when you grow your YouTube channel. So now let's talk about the keywords. We can choose high competition keywords or low competition keywords. And low competition keywords usually have more words in them. High competition keywords usually have more people searching that keyword. And if the keyword is very targeted to your niche, then it can be very competitive. Maybe you feel that low competition keywords are the way to go because you have a better chance to be seen. Imagine that you optimize your videos with low competition keywords. You have been busy posting for a year. Maybe you have been posting almost 100 videos. Now, while you have been doing that, the YouTube algorithm has given your channel more and more authority. And maybe you still have that low competition keyword mentality. So let's rewind 1 year. And again, you're starting out, but in this case, you decide to focus on high competition keywords right from the start. So yes, as the time passes, you get less traffic than if you have chosen low competition keywords. However, I also want to add that this can be unpredictable. It is not just about the keywords, and there can be other triggers that play a role. But anyway, as the time passes, your YouTube channel gain authority and the high competition keywords start to take off, and suddenly you just blow past the guy that has chosen to use low competition keywords. So the YouTube channel authority will affect all your videos. So remember that high competition keywords means that there are more people searching using that keyword. So what I recommend is that you primarily focus on high competition keywords. Alright, the next thing, because you are probably here because you want to learn about online marketing, I want to talk about focusing on your message. And this is going to be very important when you grow your YouTube channel. So think about this. What type of audience do you really want? Do you want the audience that likes your videos because you are a cool guy, but they rarely take any action? They never buy from you. You can have thousands of subscribers, but if they don't take any action and you don't make any money, how can you stay motivated posting more videos? So that is why you need to focus on your message. You want the people that take action, that join your list and join your opportunity. And you do that by giving inspiration in your message. And you want them to think about why they need to take action. So again, focus on your message. So tell them why you are here and remind them why they are watching your videos in the first place. And that is because they have a problem and you are offering the solution. So when you focus on your message, because you are talking about the problem that they have and the solution that you're offering, they start to think about it. It enters their mind. And the same thing happens when you tell your audience to like your videos, to comment your videos, and to subscribe to your channel. And when you do that, the YouTube algorithm loves that. And you get more YouTube channel authority and your videos get seen by more people. So tell your audience to like, comment, and subscribe. So just by mentioning like, comment, and subscribe, they start to think about it. Did I like the video? Yes, I liked the video because I learned something from it. And now when you mention about the comment, I do have a question about what you just talked about. Or I just want to say that I loved your video and I'm going to show my appreciation by adding a comment how much I liked the video. I found the video to be really awesome, so I definitely subscribe to this channel. Alright, so this is pretty much what you need to do to grow your YouTube channel. And if you implement these things after you have created your business, after you have joined a business opportunity, and after you just created your YouTube channel, you are definitely going to make money, but you need to treat this as a long-term business and you need to have a strong mindset and stick to posting new videos as often as possible. So while you do this, you improve your skills and you focus on the message in your videos. You give people inspiration and then you start to attract people to your channel. And as you do this, they start to take action. So what I want you to decide right now is investing in yourself and click the link in the description, and this will take you to a free online marketing video training and an opportunity to sign up to the system that I'm using. The video training and the system will work hand in hand, and you will learn everything from the mindset to building your sales funnel, as well as having access to tons of training in Legendary. So you have everything that you need to do this, and being able to eventually walk away from your full-time job and having a lifestyle that definitely progress in front of your eyes. So if I can be of any assistance, feel free to connect with me. Feel free to reach out to me and let me know. And most importantly, take action, take action, and take action. If you feel that I could be a good fit for you to partner up with me, or me to help you with anything, then definitely reach out and let me know what I can do or how we can partner up. Alright, so I hope that this video was helpful to you, and please give me some feedback to make what I'm doing meaningful. Leave a like, thumbs up down below. I do appreciate your time, and make sure you subscribe if you have not already, and click the first link in the description to access my video training or partner up with me. So I wish you have a blessed day and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.